Top 10 plants that will kill you. 10. White snakeroot. White snakeroot, also known as white sanicle, is a highly poisonous plant, native to North America. Their flowers are white and, after blooming, small fluffy seeds blow away with the wind. This plant has a high percent of the toxin tremetol, which is not known for killing humans directly, but indirectly. When the plant is eaten by cattle, the toxin is absorbed into their milk and meat. When humans then, in turn, eat the beef or drink the milk, the toxin enters the body and causes something called milk sickness, which is highly fatal. Thousands of ignorant European settlers died from milk sickness in America in the early 19th century. 9. Doll's eye, also known as white baneberry, it is a flowering plant native to eastern and northern North America. The doll's eyes comes from the striking fruit of the plant, which is a 1 centimeter in diameter white berry with a black stigma scar, which looks very eye-like. Although the whole plant has been declared toxic for human consumption, the most poisonous part is the concentrated toxins in the fruit, which have sadly claimed a number of children's lives, as they also have a sweet taste. The berries contain a carcinogenic toxin, which has an almost immediate, sedative effect on human cardiac muscles and can easily cause a quick death. 8. Angel's trumpets. Angel's trumpets, native to the tropical regions of South America, but it also found around the world. The name angel's trumpet comes from the pendulous trumpet-shaped flowers, covered in fine hairs, that hang from the tree. Flowers come in a variety of sizes and in a variety of colors, including white, yellow, orange and pink. All parts of the plant contain toxins, such as tropane alkaloids, scopolamine and atropine. The plant is sometimes turned into a tea and ingested as a hallucinogenic, recreational drug. 7. Strychnine tree. Strychnine tree, better known as poison nut or Quaker button, it is a medium-sized tree, native to India and Southeast Asia. The small seeds inside the tree's green to orange fruit is highly toxic, being filled with poisonous alkaloids strychnine and brucine. 6. English yew. The English yew is native to Europe, Northern Africa and Southwest Asia. It is a small to medium tree that has seeds enclosed in a soft, red, berry-like armor. The berry armor is the only part of the fruit that is not poisonous, and this allows birds to eat the fruit and spread the seeds without ill effect. It takes a dose of about 50 grams to be fatal to a human. Symptoms include difficulty breathing, muscle tremors, convulsion, collapse and finally cardiac arrest. 5. Water hemlock. Water hemlock is a group of highly poisonous plants that is native to the temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere. The plants all have very distinctive small white or green flowers, arranged in an umbrella shape. Water hemlock is considered to be North America's most poisonous plant, as it is incredibly poisonous to humans. The plants contain a toxin named cicotoxin which causes seizures. This poison is found in all parts of the plant, but is most concentrated in the roots, which is most potent in the spring. Besides the almost immediate seizures, other symptoms include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pains, tremors and confusion. Death is usually caused by respiratory failure or ventricular fibrillation and can occur just a few hours after ingestion. 4. Wolfsbane. Wolfsbane, also known as leopard's bane, woman's bane or devil's helmet. It is a plant belonging to the buttercup family. These perennial plants are native to mountainous regions of the Northern Hemisphere. The plant contains very large quantities of a poison called alkaloid pseudoconidine, which used to be used by the Ainu people of Japan as poison for hunting, on the tips of their arrowheads. In cases of ingestion, symptoms, which include burning in the limbs and abdomen, sets in immediately. In cases of large doses, death can occur within 2 to 6 hours to kill an adult human. 3. Rosary P. The Rosary P, also known as crab's eye or jumbie bead. It is a slender perennial climber that twines around trees, shrubs and hedges. The plant is native to Indonesia but grows in most parts of the world. It is best known for its seeds, which are used as beads, and have a bright red to orange color with a single black spot and have a bright red to orange color with a single black spot. The poison contained in the plant is very similar to the poison ricin, found in some other poisonous plants. There is one main difference between these poisons, and that is that abrana is about 75 times stronger than ricin. 2. Belladonna. Belladonna, also known as devil's berries, death cherries or deadly nightshade. It is native to Europe, North Africa and Western Asia. It is also one of the world's most poisonous plants as it contains tropane alkaloids, some of which cause delirium and hallucinations. Other symptoms of belladonna poisoning include loss of voice, dry mouth, headaches, breathing difficulty and convulsions. The whole plant is poisonous, but berries usually play the greatest risk, as they are sweet and tend to attract children and to kill a full-grown man. 1. Castor plants. Castor plants are indigenous to the Mediterranean basin, Eastern Africa and India, but are widely grown as an ornamental plant. A toxin called ricin is found throughout the plant, but is concentrated in the seeds, beans. One raw seed is enough to kill a human in 2 days, which makes for a long, agonizing and unstoppable death. The first symptoms will be experienced within a few hours and will include a burning sensation in the throat and mouth, abdominal pain, bloody diarrhea and vomiting. The process is unstoppable and the final cause of death will be dehydration. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.